When you're ready to explore your options for a world cruise, our team is always happy to help. Just give us a call at 215-385-3050. If you prefer to browse at your own pace, our online search engine will save you money. It combines the latest cruise line offers with our exclusive savings, helping you get more for less. If you'd like to search on your own, here are the steps. Step 1. Visit our website, hanksmart.com. Step 2. From the menus at the top of the page, select Deals. Step 3. Under Cruise Deals, choose All Cruise Deals. Step 4. In the Cruise Search section, open the Destination drop-down menu and select World Cruise. Step 5. Click Apply Filters and allow the results to preload. Then, click the Search button. Step 6. Once the results appear, you can use the additional filter options on the left side. Here's our best price guarantee. If you find a better offer than the one listed on our website, simply reach out to us. We'll gladly match it. Happy searching!